Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and I am doing an unboxing today, trying to get back on track with some semi-regular posts. And I got this package. I ordered some Kads plates from AliExpress, and I'm going to open them with you. I also, before opening, I decided to throw some that I had just bought a week ago in there. So those are unwrapped. So I've seen them, but I haven't seen the others yet. So, and I have no living memory of what I ordered. I mean, that's the great thing about AliExpress sometimes, right? If they come a little bit later, then maybe you forget. And it's like getting a present from yourself. So, okay, so this is a Kads plate. We knew that would be what this is. All right. Oh, this is cool. This one is Flower 061, and it's really good negative space images here. So you can stamp that on top of, like, let's say you have a polish that's like glitter, or you're doing a fluid art nail or smush marble or something. You can stamp this over that and you will still get a beautiful effect. So like plain white stamping polish over something fancy, for example. Ooh, and I really like those leaves at the bottom too. So, oh, is that a lily of the valley? No, I don't think so. Oh, those are cute though. Look at that. All right, so that is number one. I recycle these, of course, so put that aside. I missed the recycling box, but hey, I can try every time. All right, so another Kads. Yes, yes. Nature 069. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Look at all those little shapes. And then some fine lines there. That is very on trend. Ooh, and you can do this as a layer, or you can just do the silhouette if you prefer. That's very fun. I really like that one too. One butterfly and some flowers. Love the butterflies. Ooh, this is beautiful. I would love to use this one. Okay, so that's Nature 069. And then I still didn't get it. All right, we've got Sky 009. I do really like their Sky ones. So let's see what they've got here. Oh, wow. That's pretty. A spaceship and some planets. We've got a negative space design here too. Oh, look at that. These are all really gorgeous. I can't quite make out what that shape is. Oh, that's like a planet in a bottle. Like, not a fire hydrant. I don't know. You guys can tell. My vision is mostly corrected, but with these particular glasses, they're a little bit old. All right, and ooh, some astronauts and some stars, sort of cartoony over here. That's really fun. Who's asleep on the moon? I can't tell. Maybe one of you will tell me. Is that a spaceship? That's just a spaceship, right? Anyway, but this is a really cool plate, and I like it a lot. Oh, yeah, the planet's kind of this space in a bottle seems to be a theme in here. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, done, done, done. Nope, I didn't make that one either. All right, we've got Kads Fashion 096. Ooh, yes, I know why I got this plate. I really love these flourish images like this. And, ooh, so we've got lots of fine line stuff if you want to do that. Or some other patterns. We've got good texture backgrounds here, kind of like white noise on a television, an old cathode ray tube television. All right, so that's that one. Nope, didn't make it. All right, so, oh, another Sky one. Okay, so this is Sky 008. We've got some, oh, cat planets. That's really fun. Look at that. That is awesome. All right, so we've got a bunch of suns. Ooh, look at that shooting star image. That is so cool. Oh, I love I've seen this kind of like a, oh, what's that called when you put them in over a baby's crib. Like one of those really cool little, the word is not coming to me, but I'm sure that you will all know. Or I may have printed it down below, which I do sometimes when I can't. Oh, a star flower. That is so cool. All right, we've got paper boats, and then we've got more planets, Milky Way, galaxies, clouds. This is just awesome. An astronaut sitting on the moon or an asteroid. I don't know why there is a flower on the space plate, but it's pretty cool. Oh, and that looks like, that makes stars look like little, you know, drops in the pond, little ripples there. There's a bunny planet. What is that? Looks like a bear with a crown on his head. He's fishing. Okay, so that's what that is. Another flower. Anyway, these are all really fun. That's a whole fun concept, this plate, clearly. All right, let's go. Come on. Nope, it didn't make it. One of these is going to land in the recycling box sometime. All right, stamping. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I remember this one. Okay, so like knitting or crocheting or any other any other textile kind of thing. Really neat. We've got a Greek key image here that looks like it would be really cool layered. I really like that. I'd like to see what that looks like. We've got some flowers here. All sorts of really cool stuff. This looks like a layered image too. Anyway, lots of fun options here. And that again was Christmas 041. I don't think I read that. No. Am I even trying anymore? Maybe not. I did whatever, it didn't land. All right. We've got Halloween 021. Oh, I was so close there. Ooh, kitties. Gozer came over, my cat came over to see why I keep throwing things at the recycle box. All right. Love this skull right there. Some leaves. A kitty cat with a knife. All sorts of really fun, spooky things. I think I got this one a lot because of all the cats and skulls. That's an instant success in my book. Ooh, a winged cat. Love those. I used to go to our sci-fi convention and fantasy convention and RPGs and stuff is called Archon in St. Louis and Collinsville, Illinois. And there used to be all sorts of people who would sell these little cats with wings on, like bat wings. Very cool. I really like this one. I didn't actually remember that I had ordered any other Halloween ones with this particular batch. Ooh, okay, so these are fun. This is Fashion 097. Really like these. These have been cool for a few years now, but you've got all these like, you know, dots that make shapes, whether they're stars in the sky that are all drawn together or what. They're really fun things. Sometimes I don't understand why things are on certain plates. Like, what does that even say? Rejected. Fashion. Without the I. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, look at the cute little cherries. Loving this plate. I do love it. Okay, so all done with that. I got one. Made a basket. All right, so Sky 0010. Ooh, and this is all about negative space. So these images that come together. Now I've noticed that when I do like smush marbles underneath, these don't work as well. It helps if there's like, maybe you can do a gradient underneath if you want to, the color to be kind of variable. But other than that, you can do it over a sparkle or something, or just a regular polish. I'm not saying you have to use non-stampable polishes. It's just a good opportunity to use them. Loving the stars. All right, so, oh, look at those like little paper butterflies. That's really cute too. All right, that's Sky 0010. I did it. I did 2 in a row. That's awesome. I'm just gonna pull all these out because these are the ones I've already seen. All right, we have Halloween 013, lucky number. Oh, look at the little Cupid. Interesting. Oh, I love the lantern. That, I mean, I would get this whole plate just for these two images here. Loving the skeleton wedding. The raven on the tree. Loving this gate. That is so cool. Halloween 013. Oh, I love these birds like that. That is, it's really easy to make a very kind of portentous or like bad omen kind of, like, you know, feeling spooky feeling kind of. I really was looking for a word, but I still haven't found it. So let's go with spooky feeling. Lots of beautiful butterflies. Again, why are they on the Halloween plate? I do not know, but I will not complain. Because, oh, this one looks like kind of spider webby, doesn't it? Anyway, so or I'm just showing you my phone. Really cool silhouette with horns. Loving this image. Anyway, so like these. And then Halloween 015. I could have just got this for the witch image right there, but I'm loving these text inside shapes. Like that looks like a mirror kind of, and then it's got text inside it. And then I like, these would be a cool multimedia art looking kind of nail. I've got lots of silhouettes or solid images here. A bottle with flowers. Loving this kind of chandelier look here. See, this is such a versatile plate. I really like multitaskers in my videos. This is something that, I mean, yes, it's great for Halloween, but also really cool even if it's not Halloween. All right, so let's put that one aside, and we're going to look at our last one here. Vampire bloodline, little layered image of a bat. You can just use the outline or paint in the outline or use that silhouette. Loving the mask. I don't see a lot of Mardi Gras plates, so I usually do make a note whenever I find a plate with a mask on it. Ooh, very cool. Vampire, or is he a high elf? We don't know. Very cool werewolf image. That would go well with some moon images that, you know, lots of moon images on different plates. Or, oh, this is really cool. I like that. All right, so, and these kind of thorny images or designs are really cool for just a sort of the effect of something spooky. I mean, or Easter, I don't know. Those are my newest plates. I haven't messed around with them. Let me just kind of play with one before this is something I can make an extra. I was gonna do a mani, starting with this really pretty white polish by Sinful Colors that I bought like 8 years ago. So I'm sure it's not available anymore. But let's see, I'm gonna do, well, the witch thing would be cool, but it'd be even cooler if I could do more than that. So let me do this in like a black, maybe? Do we have a black handy? We do. I hit the bottle, of course. Always keep that around. I haven't used it in a while though. It's a reminder that I need to get stamping. All right. I do need to do more nail art. I haven't been very active, you know, since my mom passed, but I do need to get back into it because, you know, getting back into things is important too for your mental health when you're taking care of yourself after a loss. So this one is one normally that I would have held out for a better pickup on, but I'm just kind of showing you. And then in the bottom, I'm also going to do this in black, so I hope it works out okay. But I just have this feeling that this will work. So, although I will leave the polish on for just a second longer and only scrape once, just hoping that this works out. I wanted to show everybody a little bit more, but not that close. All right, so we're gonna go 1. All right, so she shouldn't pick up all, like in the middle is, you know, so normally, like I said, I'd hold out for better pickup, but I just wanted to see how this would look. So not, the placement, if it had been different, would have worked. I will try one more thing. I will do a double stamp. It's when you layer one stamp on top of another. And let me see. Do we want our witch to be silver, gold? How about red? Silver. No, red. All right. Actually, I'm going to need a lot to make sure that that's 100%. Oh, there was a little thing there. So anyway, let's do this now. All right. So that polish went down really nicely. We want this to be mostly parallel. So this is only going to work if this polish works well on top of black. So everybody cross your fingers for me. And then we want them to match up. Oops. So a lot of times I'll use a little index card and come up with some design ideas, and I'll kind of play on the index card itself. Just, you know, I think that, like I said, I wouldn't necessarily do this on a nail for a mani, but I do like to play around with different effects, and I think this is a pretty cool effect, but just with a different image, maybe. That's probably all, because we're at about 17 minutes here. But I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and my experimentation. And the red I used is from Bee Loves Plates. Butometry sent this one to me, and that is Be a Santa Claus. So, you know, I got some polish under my nail. Okay, great. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I will be out with, pretty sure that if you entered the giveaway, I'm probably going to be drawing that soon. I haven't looked on the calendar, so I hope I'm not late. Anyway, yeah, I'll come out with a new video next week of something of some sort. And I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any comments, well, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments about the plates I got, you want to see something specific from me, go ahead and ask below. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.